Hi guys, another unboxing review of an RC model, and it's huge. An RC helicopter. So this is the front. I can get my flashlight so you can make a better view. Front, and yeah, there's a rotor at the back, and there's a controller. There's the gyro at the top, and two road. That's the minor. Then there's a red motor here. You can see it's the RC model. And there's warning stuff here. This part, and this the helic, and this the back here. And it's recommended for age 14, but I'm still 11. But that okay. And it stays here at the bottom. But batteries not included. So batteries are not included. You should buy 6 of them. Not what I got here. 6 batteries, and that's all. Let's get on unboxing. Right there, then what's that thing? There we go. Styrofoam. Voila. Guys, this is the RC here. So there's the RC copter. Get layer to that, and cardboard, black and white instructions, except an extra back roller. Keep that there. Antenna, screwdriver, charger, and a controller. Actually, they're using mode 2. They're using mode 2. That was common on. So we have, now we're pretty done with this thing. So this controller has mode 2. It's mode 2. And we have the yaw, the turn. You can trim the edges. Like when it turns. This part is like the lift. On my left is the lift, and the right one is where you're going, and this one is for left and right buttons here. And it's okay, it's radiant violet, as you can see here. There's a button. There's actually a button. This is the on and off switch. And this is the charger, as usual as other packs. This one, and this one is the star of the show. It has the same charger input, and get a hang on it. So guys, there's a motor here connected on this tube to here. And there's LED lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 LED lights. There's one under here, like stuff. And guys, And this car is legit. There's a gyro here. And there's some rough things here. There's metal. And there's the copter. And here. And now let's go get on the controller. Open it. So I'm using this batteries. Long lasting. Not Energizer. So it's Philips. Okay, there's some stickers around it. 6 batteries here. So pretty easy. Yeah. So that then goes here, that one here, and one here. Go. Now screw it up. And here is the port on the port. So it has grip mechanisms. What's this thing? There's a thing here. Okay, what's this? Charging jack. So, charging jack. Like when you put your stuff like this one, like a little pocket to hide this one here, in case you need it. Here. Like a little pocket. I'm gonna stick here. Okay. Sneaky. Okay. Guys, I hope this is not broke. Okay. On now. And let's put this back on. Lock it in place. Hold it. So guys, thank you for watching. See for more on part 2. Bye.